Here we see two wild birds fighting over a pizza crust. Oh! He's letting him know. Let's see if the other takes this opportunity to feast. Alright, no action right now. Oh, he's making his move. Oh, he's enjoying that crust. Let's see if the other bird has anything to say about it. Still no sign of him. He's keeping an eye out though. He knows the trouble's lurking. Oh, he's enjoying that crust so good. There's plenty to go around. I don't know why they must fight. We'll check back in later. One more action. Oh! Oh, something scared him. Oh, it's just Bev. God damn it, Bev.